Hello everyone. So I needed to clean my carbs, and I've never tried this Seafoam soak. I've used Seafoam before in my gas, but I've never just tried soaking carburetor parts or carburetors in Seafoam. Now I've been soaking these parts, actually not the bottom lids, these have only been soaking for about 2 hours, but the carbs and all the little parts have been soaking for 48 hours. And at this point, I just want to say I am quite happy with the results. I don't really have any good before pictures, but all this stuff was pretty black and dirty. As you can see, the pieces really look quite good. And obviously I will update once I try to run the engine with the new carbs, but everything looks very clean and I'm actually quite impressed. This is not the cheapest solution. It costs about 30 bucks to soak all this stuff. These need to be kind of deep. But overall, my first impressions are this seems to be a very good method. I'm going to soak a couple more carbs and see how that works, but the engine wouldn't really run at all with these carburetors, and I'm going to give it a test, report on the video, and see how this helped. I essentially just disassembled everything and soaked it in. I would stir, or I'd flip these every once in a while, and I would shake these in a little glass jar constantly. Well, 48 hours of soaking.